now. This child is 16.
No, she's not.
No, she's not. She tied here. She falls down about 30 times a day like Tasmanian devil. And so we want to make sure that her mid-back is good and her hips are good. Now roll onto your back. Is today your birthday?
Right now.
Right now is her birthday.
2 more days.
Oh. And how old will she be?
5.
There we go.
5 years old.
You're going to be 5? Did you know that when I was 5, I was your age? Well done. Good job. How's that feel?
Good.
Good.